Want to fix Android IP address unavailable error easily? I'm here to help you how to fix Android IP address unavailable error easily full guide. There are a few ways to fix the Android IP address unavailable problem. First, go to your settings. In settings, open connections. Then tap Wi-Fi. Next to your Wi-Fi name, tap the settings icon. Here, tap forget. Your phone will disconnect from the network. Now connect to the Wi-Fi again. If the issue is still there, don't worry. Open the shortcut menu on your phone. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. Yeah, this resets your phone's network connection and can help fix the IP address unavailable error. After that, restart your phone once. Sometimes a quick restart refreshes the phone's network system and reconnects it to the Wi-Fi router. If it's still not fixed, try this working step. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn the router off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the network and lets your phone grab a new IP address. Alright, that should fix the Android IP address unavailable problem. If it worked for you, just type "love you" in the comments so I know it helped. Thanks for watching.